Alright, what's going on, guys? Another day at SEMA, and we're looking at some sweet cars. Don't see a lot of full-size Jeeps out there, and today we're got the chance to take a look at this 68 Gladiator. You've probably heard of the new Gladiators. That's where they got the name for all you kids who don't know nothing. Their setup is, normally these are a leaf-sprung truck front and rear. They've taken the time to do a radius arm front end. This actually, to me, looks to be a Super Duty front Dana 60. And then they've taken it a step further with a 2.5 coilover and bypass shock from Radflow. They worked really hard, you can tell, to make sure they kept the body lines, made it still look like a full-size Jeep. And they did it tastefully so that although there are all these awesome suspension components that are big, huge, and heavy, you can't really see them without looking underneath. Same as the front, poverty springs are gone. They went with a triangulated four-link. That means there's no need for a track bar in the back, and there's basically no bind in the suspension while still keeping it centered in the vehicle. 2.5 coilover and bypass from Radflow again in the back. They even rear-mounted what looks to be the transmission cooler as well, but they tied everything into this great hoop and cage that looks really period correct for the late 60s, early 70s. We're gonna see a lot of stuff today, but this is definitely one of the favorites.